Hi there, in this video I will guide you step by step how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. First, open your Facebook app. You can see 3 lines on the top right corner. Tap on that. Now scroll down a little. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. A whole new page will appear in front of you. Now you can see the option of Personal and Account Information. Tap on that. From here, tap on Account Ownership and Control. A new page will appear in front of you. Here you can see the option saying Deactivation and Deletion. Tap on that. Now here it gives you two options to either temporarily deactivate your account or delete it permanently. We want to delete our account, so we will choose Delete Account and then tap on the blue button below. On this page you need to tap on Continue Account Deletion. Now Facebook is giving us multiple options. From here we can download our data before deleting our account if we want to. Scrolling down a little, we can see an option saying Delete Account. Tap on that. Now here you have to enter your password. Let me enter mine. Here we go. Now on this page tap on Delete Account again. And your account has been deleted. If you access this account in the next 30 days, it will go active again. But if you don't access in the next 30 days, it will be permanently deleted from Facebook. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.